Bonjour les garçons. So today I want to explain how to express the cause in French. La cause. I'm going to move this and put it up there. When we want to express the cause in French, we need to think about three things. Actually, maybe four. Let's say four. The first thing is the couple parce que, car. Okay? Parce que, car. Then, second, you have comme. Third, you are going to have grâce à and à cause de. Finally, you are going to have puisque. Puisque is something typically French, something you will not really have in another language. Okay, so this is how I'm going to explain the cause, the expression of cause in this video. First, I will go and explain parce que, car, then comme, then grâce à cause de, and finally puisque. So let's move all this. Wait, let's try to move all this and start our video with explaining the first one, parce que and car. Parce que car is because, right? It's something you already know. J'aime. J'aime quoi? J'aime le soda. I like soft drink. I like soda. Parce que c'est sucré. Parce que c'est sucré. Okay? So there's nothing very difficult here. The only thing that you need to know is that you can use parce que or car. They both mean the same thing. The only difference is that when using car, you are using what we call in French le registre soutenu. This means the very formal language, a very nice French, okay? Registre soutenu. So when speaking, you will most likely use parce que. J'aime le soda parce que c'est sucré. If writing, on the other hand, you are going to use car, because car makes you look like you are very well spoken in French. Okay, this is for parce que and car. Our second part is comme. Comme also means parce que, car. It's the same, it means because. But unlike these words, comme will be put at the beginning of the sentence. Comme je n'ai pas de devoir, because I have no homework, comme je n'ai pas de devoir, je vais au cinéma. I am going to the movies. I am going to cinema. As you can see, here, comme is parce que. And the same sentence using parce que would be je vais au cinéma. Right? Je vais au cinéma parce que je n'ai pas de devoir. Okay, it is the same sentence. It means the exact same thing. The only difference is the position, right, of comme and parce que. So keep in mind that whenever you want to use comme, it has to be at the beginning of the sentence. This would be like saying since in English, whereas using parce que will be somewhere in the sentence, but never at the beginning. Parce que, car, comme, they all mean because. Okay? Now, sometimes we don't simply say because. We can say something else. We want to add a positive or negative twist to what we are saying, right? So let's take a look. Let me introduce two sentences. Je connais la France grâce à. Je connais la France grâce à ma mère. So what does this mean? This simply means that I know France, right? I know France thanks to my mom. Okay, so France is a very beautiful country, very nice country, right? Very an amazing place to visit when on holidays. So because it has all these good things, you would most likely be grateful to your mom if she introduces to you France. This is why you are happy. I know France thanks to my mom, right? This is a good thing. Grâce à would mean thanks to. Keep in mind that the article has to change sometimes. We'll come back to that. Let's take a look at something different, a different idea. Je connais, so, okay, you go to France and you speak French, and maybe you're going to learn a bad word. Gros mot. Okay, a bad word. In French, we say a big word. So you have cousins or friends over there, and I do not believe that knowing a bad word is useful. Well, for some of you it is, but for me, I don't think it's very useful. So I would consider this a bad thing. And basically, I know this bad word because of my cousin. Je connais ce gros mot à cause de mon cousin. So because he told me that, I know the word, but I know it because of him, right? Because of him. So grâce à here, thanks to, and à cause de here, because of. Here we have something positive. Here it's the idea is kind of negative, right? Grâce à and à cause de. Like grâce à, the preposition de will change depending on the word we use. Let's take a look. Grâce à, thanks to. Grâce, thanks to. So if you wanna say thanks to the president. In French, the president is a masculine word. So grâce à will become à le, and à le together is you. Grâce au président, right? Because président is a masculine word. The feminine for président is présidente. So with an E at the end. If we use a feminine word, obviously, it's going to be grâce à la présidente. If I am using something plural, it is also going to be different. If I have two presidents in the place, I am going to use grâce au président. As you can see, it is different. The same rule applies for à cause de. But à cause de, we do not have à, we have de. So in this case, what are we going to have? We're going to have du, because of. We're going to have de la, for feminine words. And we are going to have de, if the word is plural. I'm going to use the same word, right? À cause du président, because of the president. À cause de la présidente, because of the president, female president. À cause des présidents, because of the presidents. And this explains the cause in French. Lastly, I am going to explain to you puisque in French. Puisque will be used to introduce a cause that is known, cause connue, or a cause that is obvious, cause évidente. All right, everyone? This is what puisque is for. Let me give you a couple of examples. It might not be clear right now, but I'm going to show you a couple of examples. Ok, comme je suis fatigué, comme je suis fatigué, because I am tired, since I am tired, what's going to happen? Of course, I will stay home. Je reste à la maison. Je reste à la maison. So here there is nothing very difficult to understand. Comme je suis fatigué, je reste à la maison. Because I am tired, I stay home. This does not mean that, okay, I am on the phone, my friend calls me and he asks me, why do you stay home? Pourquoi tu restes à la maison? I will answer, comme je suis fatigué, je reste à la maison. Sometimes, I can use puisque and not comme. But why am I going to use this? I will use puisque because the cause is obvious. My friend sees me. My friend sees that I'm very tired and I cannot go out, I cannot do anything, right? But I want to go out, I want to go to the movies. I insist. I tell him, je viens avec toi, I'm coming with you. My friend will say, no, don't do that. No. Reste à la maison. Stay home. Because you're tired. My friend knows I'm tired, right? And I know I'm tired. So, he will use puisque. Reste à la maison puisque tu es fatigué. Okay? This does not mean that I cannot use parce que, but this will actually show that I am pointing out something that we know. All right? If I say reste à la maison parce que tu es fatigué, this means that I believe you are tired. It's not a fact. Like, it's my opinion. I think you are tired. But if I say puisque tu es fatigué, I know you are tired. I believe you are tired. But even you yourself, you know it, right? Everyone can tell you are tired, right? So it is different. This is what the main difference is between puisque and parce que. Okay, so today this was the video explaining the cause. I hope it's been very easy and clear for all of you. If you have any question, we will practice this in class, and please don't hesitate to ask me what you could not understand and ask me to explain things that are still a bit blurry for you. All right, guys? You take care. Au revoir.